My name is Detlef Scholle. I'm the project coordinator for SafeCOP. The simplest way of describing SafeCOP is to say that if you have a safe and secure system that is certified, and this one wants to communicate and work together, collaborate with another safe and secure certified system, then SafeCOP is the tool that enables this. The goal is hereby to have cooperative cyber-physical systems, or short CPS. So the use case actually are several. They focus on different domains, and we have selected the automotive domain, the marine domain, and the health domain. The automotive scenario are two variants. The one is traffic and the other one is platooning. The project partners and also the individuals in the project are experts in their field. This is a beneficial situation to ensure quality delivery. I have been in many projects before, and the interesting thing with SafeCOP is that we had a good teamwork already from the beginning. Often, when you enter a new project, it takes weeks, months, or even years before the teams are really working. But in SafeCOP, we had this marvelous feeling from day one. This is extraordinary. All partners from all countries have concrete business opportunities or have already started their business that is based on SafeCOP. The outcome of the project is that we see new starting activities like new research projects, and we also see that there's a lot of different commercial activities going on in this direction. We can really say that SafeCOP is a game changer. With the conclusion of SafeCOP, we have a solid foundation of cooperating system of the future.
My name is Lars Dalgaard, and I'm head of service robotics at the Danish Technological Institute in Denmark. My role in the project is being responsible for DTI's activities, which includes use case lead on the use case of autonomously moving empty hospital beds, and also being the overall lead on the work package comprising all the use cases. At DTI, we focus very much on helping industry and the healthcare sector. We are a generalist institute with a lot of specialists. So we help on a broad spectrum. So developing technology for one domain, for example, healthcare like we've done here, is merely an excuse for sidestepping that into other domains. Because robots facilitate a lot of future actions in a lot of different domains. In the project, our primary focus has been on developing the use case for autonomous transport of empty hospital beds. So we've developed two autonomous robots that can interlink with objects that are movable, hospital beds for instance, and then act as one whole. In order to do that, we need to ensure that the collaboration between the platforms is safe and robust. And that's what we've been focusing on and have made a demonstrator both in the hospital environment and also showing in an industrial case. In the project, there's a specific moment that I'm quite proud of, actually, and it was in the first year's project review meeting in Brussels, because SafeCOP does not have a lot of project deliverables, and apparently the reviewers we had were not able to, through the deliverables, to see how well the partners in the project collaborated. So we started off the meeting with the reviewers being quite critical, not actually believing that this was a functioning and working project. But as the days progressed and we presented the results, I remember they were quite impressed and were very much relaxed by the end of the day and saying this is actually a very good collaboration in this project. The next steps for us at DTI is both having the research activities continued in other projects, national as well as international, but also starting to commercialize some of the results, mostly on the knowledge side, that is providing consultancy in safety certification and in collaborative robotic systems, but also in hopefully in a couple of years launching a product together with a partner or another stakeholder that can actually reach market with collaborating small robots. I believe the impact of this project on the robotics community is basically showcasing that there is a viable path for smaller mobile units collaborating together in order to solve a task instead of larger autonomous vehicles. A hypothetical question that we are often posing in relation to this project is, do you need a 5-meter long robot to move a 5-meter long robot? No, you don't. You just need 2 smaller ones.
I'm Carlo Brandolese. I am one of the co-founders of IBT, and my role in the project is that of investigating the safety criticality of onboard units in the context of vehicle-to-infrastructure communication. We are a small SME, a very small SME, and we are specialized in embedded systems design. We have experience in the design of onboard units, and we had the role in this project to extend one of our ECUs in order to support security, and in particular the security aspects related to safety. The work we have done in the project started with an hazard and risk analysis of the whole system, not only our own component, that is the onboard unit, but the whole system, which is the integration of different subsystems, the cameras, some wireless sensor networks, onboard units, and a central processing unit in the proximity of a crossing in the street. The implementation that we have done is, in my opinion, is valuable because it's an example of how a product can be systematically analyzed and extended in order to include all the aspects that are needed for becoming a safety critical part of a system. We are going to continue the cooperation with ITEC, with Vodafone in separate projects. It is a good business for us. We have had the opportunity to create a spin-off of the company, so we are going to work to continue working on these kind of onboard units.
My name is Irfan Shlivo, and I'm working at Melardine University. We've worked quite a bit with, for example, car platooning, which is very important. As we went into this problem more, we've noticed and realized the importance of such cooperative system for overall community, starting from the safety of the traffic, for example, to fuel consumption, reducing the fuel consumption, increasing the throughput in the traffic. We also had different use cases dealing with optimization of the traffic and throughput, so to increase the, let's say, number of vehicles, the speed of traffic, but also to reduce the environmental impact of vehicles. One of the moments that really left impression on me was when use case 1 or 2, so one with the hospital beds, moving beds, and one with bathymetry, when they already had a demonstration to show us certain aspects of cooperativeness in their use cases. So we had companies that already heavily started working on this, and those really pushed us, the rest of us, forward to work even more on our parts.
My name is Hans Hansson. I'm Professor of Real-Time Systems at Mälardalen University in Västerås, Sweden. Well, in general, we have been trying to do some good research into safety, functional safety, for many years, and that's really a very challenging topic. Here we have this system-level aspect of safety where everything should be included, everything should be considered, and it's really challenging to do research on such a topic. As I said before, this project is addressing very important issues. I mean, we're talking about getting these type of autonomous systems trustworthy, and these complex cooperating systems that we are focusing on, getting them trustworthy. I mean, it's possible to build these systems, but can we trust them? And this is an issue that is and has been in focus in SafeCOP.
Yeah, my name is Erwin Scheutsch, and I'm as a freelancer working for the Austrian Institute of Technology, which is Austria's largest research center for the unit for digital safety and security called Competence Center for Safety and Security. I think that the collaborative or systems of systems are very important in intelligent transport systems, very important in robotics, particularly health and service robots. Yeah, and in industrial automation as well. And I think that is, you have to look to get the acceptance and the licensing and so on the safety and security issues particularly. I would say the application of the, let's say, results or the achievements of the project could be used in other area domains as well. I think that is very important. And of course, our company particularly is a research center. So we are giving consultancy to industry, and we are continuing research in these areas. That is, I think, the most important issue for us.